Hey, what's up everyone? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So in this video, we are going to discuss the latest update of the Dogecoin. What's going on in the Dogecoin? What's the future? The future the price of Dogecoin will pump? In the future, is the price is dump in the future? So in this video, we are going to do a technical analysis. We are doing to a realistic price prediction of the Dogecoin. So keep watching this video complete and never miss any second of this video, my friends. My friends, before starting this video, please I request all of you at this time, if you listen my voice, so please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So finally friends, in this time, if we do a technical analysis, if we start look the price chart of the Dogecoin, so you can see here, my friends, from this price chart, that's clear. First of all, if we look the price detail update of the Dogecoin, so you can see here that now negative 1.62% the price of the Dogecoin is falls down, and 0.2124 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dogecoin in the market. That is the last one day price update of the Dogecoin. That's the last 24 hours update, my friends. So other side, if we do a technical analysis, you can see here from the price chart, it's clear that in the beginning of a day, the Dogecoin start jumping. Dogecoin start jumping, but with the passage of time, after some time interval, the Dogecoin price falls down and everything is going in the lows. uh, Obviously, my friends, if the price is falls down, so everything going in the lows. You can see here, my friends, now after some interval of jumping, the Dogecoin price is going down. And as the Dogecoin price is down, so the situation is going wrong, and you can see here now the current situation, and also from the last 5 hours the Dogecoin price is going down. So my technical analysis, my personal prediction about the Dogecoin is going wrong. Why my prediction is going wrong? Because you can see here, they continue has falling from the last 5 hours. So obviously, if they start falls down, if they start dumping, so they have to continue this dumping for 2 days, for 3 days, for some time interval, for a long time interval. I'm talking about 2-3 days, my friends. And after 2-3 days, maybe there's again possibilities that the price will pump. But I think my prediction, my technical analysis is that the next coming soon 2-3 hours is the falling hours of the Dogecoin. So never lose hope and just patience. Wait for the pump of the Dogecoin, my friends. And you know what? Dogecoin is extremely profitable coin in the market, my friends. Dogecoin will make you millionaire. There's no doubt in this. That they will make you millionaire. Just hold it, just patience, my friends. Wait for the pump. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.